Today's hack is YouTube. So if you're an agency owner and you're not on YouTube yet, guess what? You're kind of late to the game. People are watching YouTube videos more than ever. It is the second largest search engine on the planet. You have to make sure that it's equally important as your website to have a YouTube channel and to be creating content every single week. So there's a ton of things that you can do on YouTube. You can post videos, create playlists, create shorts, even go live. We go live right from our Facebook group to our YouTube, all from right in this studio, right? We built a real-time broadcasting production studio here. And what I want you to do is figure out what you can do to grow and scale your presence on YouTube. Get comfortable with the uncomfortable. If you don't like creating videos, hire somebody else to do it. But at the end of the day, your customers are looking for you on YouTube. They want to subscribe to your channel. They want to make sure you're part of your brand. And if you don't let them do that, they're not going to be able to use you. They might go to somebody else. If you're wondering how you can grow and scale your agency, not just on YouTube, but on Facebook group or Facebook ads or building out funnels, that's precisely what we do here at ClickX. From customer acquisition all the way to retention and fulfillment, we have over 150 people team that helps you do exactly that. So if you're looking to learn more about what ClickX does, schedule a call with one of our consultants and find out if ClickX is the right fit for you. But today, make sure you have a consistent strategy on creating content, optimizing, and scaling your YouTube presence. That's what really matters to me. I want to make sure that you're growing and scaling. And when you do, send me a link to your channel so I can be a subscriber. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.